Thanks for tuning in. If you like old trains, please subscribe. Today we're going to talk about the U-boat, the mighty GE General Electric U-boat. This was done by Ken Krayer in O-scale. So here we are in January of 1963. Model Craftsman, River model Craftsman. And here's this beast here. Cast aluminum, so relatively light body. It's done in two halves, so you just slap your two halves together and off you go. Add a little bit of paint and some handrails. Now, Ken was doing rubber band drive in O-scale, so thank heavens this does not have that. About the same time, I think actually in '62, Bob Smith of Central Locomotive Works, CLW, came up with his new drive system. So you have your gearboxes here, your little motor in the center there, which is kind of like a spider. So you have your motor in the center and your fingers come out there or your legs come out there. The motor then could be stretched to a longer body or shorter body, and it's quite compact. It fits quite nicely inside here. And so when you get one of these old ones, you want to be able to clean out the gearboxes, get rid of the old grease, because they pack up pretty solidly. So there you can see it's marked Central Locomotive Works. So this engine, as you can see, was kind of the beginning of GE into the locomotive world. I think they introduced this in like 1959. And they went on to overtake Elco and ultimately EMD. So this is their entry there with a big, huge picture window. This model, being sand cast in aluminum, you don't look for rivets because you're not going to see it, but they do have some nice lines and vents. So thank you very much for watching. We'll fire it up one more time and you can watch it run around. Thank you. It does growl nicely. Thank you very much for watching.